Good morning, lovely students. I hope you all are safe, secure, and robust at your homes. And I hope you all had enjoyed your weekend a lot. So, let's move forward. So, students, in today's class, we will discuss some story sum related to give and take. So, let's move forward. Before starting our today's class, let us discuss some keywords and terms that are used in problems related to addition and subtraction. So, whenever in any story sum or any word problem, you get the terms like altogether, plus, more, grow, add, combined, sum, total, increase. Then you have to do addition in that word problem or story sum. So before starting any question, what you have to do? You have to check for the keyword and term used in that story sum or word problem. From this, you can easily identify whether you have to do addition or subtraction. So, for subtraction, there are also some keywords and terms. These are minus, less, difference, take away, remain, left, decrease, change, how many more, subtract, favor. So, whenever you will get these kind of terms or phrases in any word problem, then you have to do subtraction. So, ये तो हमने previous classes में भी अच्छे से डिस्कस किया था that how will we identify whether we have to do addition or subtraction. So, in today's class, your very good friends are with us and they are Motu and Patlu, and they want your help to solve some word problems. So let's help them to solve these story sums or word problem. So let's start. So here they have first problem, that is Rahul had 57 cakes. He gave 30 to his sister Meenu. How many cakes were left with him? So, before starting any word problem, the first step is to identify which operation will be used. So, for that, we will identify the term used in the question. And here we can see left, and you can check left is used for subtraction, right? So from this we can easily say that we have to do subtraction in this word problem. Now what is the next step? The next step is to write the statement, and to write the statement I have already told you, you will just copy from the question. कैसे कॉपी करना है? Let's start. So the first sentence is Rahul had 57 cakes. यानी राहुल के पास 57 cakes थे. So you will write Rahul had cakes is equal to 57. Okay. Now he gave 30 cakes to his sister Meenu. So आप next statement क्या लिखेंगे? He gave cakes to his sister Meenu is equal to 30. So देख रहे हैं आप हम कैसे sentence to sentence copy कर रहे हैं आंसर में. And what you have to find out? you have to find out how many cakes were left with him. So आंसर स्टेटमेंट में मैंने जैसे आपको पहले भी बताया था, आपको क्वेश्चन वर्ड को डिलीट कर देना है. सो हेयर द क्वेश्चन वर्ड इज हाउ मैनी. तो हम हाउ मैनी को डिलीट कर देंगे एंड द आंसर स्टेटमेंट विल बी केक्स लेफ्ट विद हिम, और हिम की जगह आप नाम भी लिख सकते हैं राहुल, इज इक्वल टू जो भी आपका आंसर आएगा आफ्टर subtraction. So this is the way we will write the solution. Rahul had cakes is equal to 57. He gave cakes to his sister is equal to 30. So number of cakes left with Rahul is equal to, अभी हमने आइडेंटिफाई किया था दैट हमें यहाँ पर सब्ट्रैक्शन करना है, और सब्ट्रैक्शन का रूल हम ऑलरेडी सीख चुके हैं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल राइट द प्लेस वैल्यूज दैट इज वंस, टेंस एंड 100. एंड हम कहाँ से स्टार्ट करेंगे सब्ट्रैक्शन? राइट, we will start to subtract from ones place. So let's start. 7 minus 0 is equal to 7 and 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. So Rahul had 27 cake left with him. So let's move to the next question. Here the question number 2 is, a school bag cost rupees 382 and a water bottle cost rupees 159. So पहली दो स्टेटमेंट में हमें क्या बताया गया है कि एक स्कूल बैग की कॉस्ट है 382 एंड एक वाटर बॉटल की क्या कॉस्ट है 159. एंड व्हाट यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट? You have to find out which cost more and by how much. यानी किसकी कॉस्ट ज़्यादा है और how much मतलब कितनी ज़्यादा है. सो अभी भी यहाँ पर how much कितनी ज़्यादा है, किसकी ज़्यादा है निकालना है. तो अगेन from the terms you will identify that we will use subtraction here. So हमेशा क्या हम छोटे नंबर से बड़ा नंबर सब्ट्रैक्ट कर सकते हैं? No. So we will write the cost of school bag first and the statement will be a school bag cost is equal to rupees 382. A water bottle cost is equal to 159. So here you can easily compare these two numbers and tell me which number is bigger. Right, 382 is bigger. So that means हमें ये पता चल गया that school bag cost more. School bag की cost ज़्यादा है, पर कितनी ज़्यादा है? For that we have to do subtraction. So let's start. So the solution will be cost of school bag is equal to 382. Cost of water bottle is equal to 159, and here we have to do subtraction. So we will place the digits according to the place value and then we will start doing subtraction from the ones place. Very good. So can you subtract 9 things from 2 things? No. So we will take carry from tens place. So here at ones place we will have 12 and tens place we will be left with 7. So what is 12 minus 9? Very good. Keep 9 on your mind and count after 9 on your fingers. 10, 11, 12. So I got 3 fingers. So here we will write 3. Now after subtracting ones place digit, now we will move toward tens place. So here 7 minus 5. Again smaller number on your mind, that is 5, and count after 5 till 7. Say 7. So here we got 2. And now we will move toward hundreds place. So 3 minus 1 is 2. So school bag cost more by 223. Right. So let's check for next question. So what you can see here? Yes, Yum chocolates. So a shopkeeper had 200 chocolates, out of which 115 were sold in a day. So जैसे आपको चॉकलेट्स पसंद है ऐसे ही उस शॉपकीपर के आसपास रहने वाले बच्चों को they love chocolates, तो in a single day 115 chocolates sold हो गई. So how many chocolates are remaining? So here the term is remaining. So remaining किसके लिए यूज होता है? Remaining means बचा हुआ, यानी here we have to do subtraction. So let's start writing. We will copy from the question. A shopkeeper had chocolates is equal to 200. Now next statement is chocolate sold in a day. So कितनी चॉकलेट सोल्ड हो गई थी? 115. So we will write chocolate sold in a day is equal to 115 and we will subtract following the same process starting from 1. So we can't subtract 5 things from 0. So we will take carryover. But here at tens place also we have 0. So we will take carry from hundreds place. So we got 1 carry and at tens place we have 10. But अभी तो हमें ones place पे चाहिए. So now we will take carry from tens place. So now we got 10. So now you can easily subtract 5 things from 10 things. So 10 minus 5 is 5. Here we have left with 9. So 9 minus 1 is 8 and 1 minus 1 is 0. So number of chocolates remaining is equal to 85. Got it? So now let's check for another question. Monu had 308 notebooks. Neha took away 39 notebooks from Monu. How many notebooks does Monu have now? So again we will identify the term took away. Do you remember the meaning of took away? Right, took away means ले लेना. So जब भी हम किसी से कोई चीज़ ले लेंगे तो उसके पास ज़्यादा चीज़ें हो जाएंगी या कम चीज़ें बचेंगी? Right, कम चीज़ें बचेंगी. So here also we have to do subtraction. So हम subtract करेंगे by writing the statement that we will copy from the question. Monu had notebooks is equal to 308. Neha took notebooks from Monu is equal to 39. So number of notebooks Monu had now. यानी अब उसके पास कितनी notebooks है? So we will do subtraction. Can you subtract 9 things from 8 things? No. So we will do carry from tens place and here again we have 0. So we will take carry from hundreds place. So here we took carry from hundreds place and then given 1 carry to ones place. So here now we have 18. So what is 18 minus 9? 9. Good. And 9 minus 3 is 6 and 2 minus 0 is 2. So the number of notebooks Monu had now is equal to 269. So let's help Motu and Patlu in one more question. So Rani collected 679 coins. So दो बच्चे थे आप ही लोगों की तरह and they love to do collection of coins. So they started collecting coins. So रानी ने अपने coins को गिना and she collected 679 coins and Golu collected 789 coins. So here आपसे पूछा गया है बेटा what is the difference between the coins collected by both the childrens. So दोनों ही बच्चों ने जो coins collect किए हैं उसमें क्या difference था? So here अभी आपको पता है गोलू ने कितने coins collect किए 789 and रानी ने coins collect किए 679. So now first you tell me one thing, who has collected more coins? Very good. Golu has collected more coins, that is 789. So we always subtract smaller number from bigger number. So first we will write Golu collected coins is equal to 789. 9 and Rani collected coins is equal to 679. So हम आंसर स्टेटमेंट को भी यहाँ से कॉपी करेंगे. डिफरेंस बिटवीन द कॉइन कलेक्टेड बाय बोथ द चिल्ड्रन. इजी है ना. सिर्फ हमने क्या करना है, क्वेश्चन वर्ड्स को इग्नोर करना है, सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. So here's the solution. Golu collected coins is equal to 789. Rani collected coins is equal to 679. So you have to find out the difference between coins collected by both the children, and for that you have to subtract this. And here we will start from 1's place. 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. 8 minus 7 is 1 and 7 minus 6 is also 1. So difference between coins collected by both the children are 110 coins. So I hope आप सभी ने मोटू एंड पतलू की हेल्प करके एंजॉय किया होगा. And I hope now you can easily identify whether you have to do subtraction or addition in any story sum, and you can easily write the statement, right? So now I am sharing a worksheet with you. Do that worksheet in your notebook and send me. So that's all for today's class. Thank you. Have a nice day.